Netjets Flight Review. Let's get started. So what is Netjets? It's established in 1964 and now part of Berkshire Hathaway. It's the world's largest provider of fractional jet ownership. They also have lease programs and jet card services. They operate a provider of fractional jet ownership. With lease programs and jet card services, they operate a fleet of over 700 aircrafts, including light jets. They also have a mid-size and large cabin jets. So it comes with an unmatched fleet and availability. They have over 750 jets available. They also have a safety and reliability. They also offer service and flexibility and luxury experience. However, they come with some considerations. So apparently, they have some high costs. So the fractional ownership has a large upfront share, plus monthly maintenance, plus hourly operating fees. They also have a jet card pricing, which is jet card 24-hour card, which is approximately around $11,000. And they have complex contracts. They also have not the cheapest way of getting airplanes. So why should you choose NetJets? Well, if it's ideal if you fly around 50 hours a year and want reliable access without charter hassles. It also value predictability, safety, and premium service over cost. You also have a prefer a one-stop consistent experience tailored to your preference. And if you don't like it, well, NetJets is exceptionally well run and safe and luxury focused, but it's perfect for high frequency travelers who want reliability and ease over price. It's a top tier experience with minimal operation hassle. However, it commands a high price tag and involves significantly commitment.